Hello friends, today we will learn les prépositions in French. In English they are also known as prepositions like on the table, below the table, above the window, like that. So in this figure, as you can see easily, le chat est sur la lit. Le chat est sur la lit. It means cat is on the bed. Cat is on the
bed.
Le chat est sur le lit.
Lit.
Lit is bed. Sur is on. Sur is on.
On
Lit is bed.
bed.
Right? You got? You understood the first sentence?
Yes.
Now the next is chat is sur le lit. Le tableau.
The tableau.
Le tableau. Tableau is board. Le tableau derrière. Derrière is behind. Derrière is
behind.
derrière. Le lit.
Le lit.
Derrière is behind. Derrière.
Derrière.
Derrière is behind.
Behind.
Le tableau est derrière le lit. It is behind the bed. Behind tableau is board, any board. It may be blackboard or whiteboard. Second, done. Now the third, la commode.
La commode.
Commode is chain of drawers. There are many drawers in this commode. La commode.
Commode.
La commode. Commode est à côté de. À côté de
Cotte.
means
Côté
next
de.
to. Next to lit. À côté de lit.
Lit.
À côté de is next to.
Means the commode is
Near next to the
next to
the bed.
the bed.
Bed.
Means
À côté de.
the dresser is next to the bed.
Bed. Right? Now this is table. 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 Chaussures are shoes. Chaussures are. Chaussures means shoes. Les chaussures. Les chaussures. Les chaussures sont under the table. Under means sous. Sous la table. Sous. Sous means under.
Under.
Sous. S-O-U-S. Sous. Les chaussures sont sous la table. Right? Helicopter.
Helicopter.
Helicopter means helicopter.
Helicopter. Helicopter.
Helicopter. La helicopter. Helicopter est sur la terre.
La terre.
Sur means on the
It's the
land.
on the land.
It is on the land.
Land.
Right?
The helicopter is
Helicopter is on the land. Sur la terre.
Sur la
Or you can also say it is in front of bed. It is also in devant le lit. Devant le lit. In front of. In front of. Devant le lit. It is la helicopter est devant le lit. In front of the bed. L'hélicoptère est devant le lit. Helicopter is in front of the bed. Fenêtre. Fenêtre is window. La fenêtre. La fenêtre.
La fenêtre.
La fenêtre
La fenêtre.
est près de.
Brother.
Près de is near to.
Near to.
Near to commode. Près de la commode. Fenêtre. La fenêtre est près de la commode. You can also say à côté de, next to the commode. ये इसके next में, it is in the next, right? La arbre, tree, arbre is tree. La arbre is outside the maison, means dehors. Outside is dehors.
Dehors. Dehors.
La arbre
La arbre
est dehors la maison. Dehors is outside.
outside.
You can see it. Can you see it? Arbre is outside the house.
A-R-B-R-E.
Arbre. La arbre est dehors la maison. Tree is outside of the house. Right?
Right.
Now the next is oreiller. Oreiller.
Oreiller.
Oreiller is pillow.
Pillow.
La oreiller.
La oreiller.
La oreiller est près de lit, near the bed. Sur you can also write sur le lit, on the bed. Right? We have learned today. What we have learned today? Sur. Sur means on.
On.
Prada means near to. Dehors. Dehors means outside
Outside.
of. Sous means under.
Under.
Like chaussures. Les chaussures est sur la table.
Sur la table.
Devant.
Devant.
Devant means in front of.
In front of.
À côté de.
Next to.
Next to. Next to.
Next to.
Sur la. Sur. Sous, dehors, près de, devant, à côté de. Today we have learned these much of prepositions, right? Do you understand?
Yes.
What is à côté de? Next to.
Next to.
What is dehors?
Dehors.
Outside of.
Outside of.
Like the arbre. La arbre
Arbre.
dehors the maison. Dehors la maison. Dehors la maison. Right? Près de, near to.
Near to.
Sur, on.
On.
La chat.
Le chat.
Sur la lit. Sur la lit. Lit is bed.
Li.
Right? À côté de.
À côté de.
La commode est à côté de lit. Next to the bed. Derrière. We have also learned derrière.
Derrière.
Behind. Derrière is.
Behind.
Behind.
Le tableau est derrière le lit. Right? Apart from these prepositions we have learned, there are some of the prepositions I am going to explain you. A is used in the place of to, at, and in. The is used from and
Of.
Après is used after. Avant, before. Avec is used for with. Sans, without. Chez,
At the home.
at someone's home or at the home or the place, at the place of someone. Yeah, or you can write it at someone's place. at someone's place. Are you getting it?
Yes.
Contra.
Against.
Contra
Against.
is against. For.
For.
The.
In.
In. Entre. Between.
Between.
À gauche de.
At left.
At left.
At left.
At
Droite.
right.
At right.
At right. Face the. Face the.
Facing.
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 All these are prepositions. Au-dessus de. Au-dessus de.
Below.
Below.
Au-dessus de.
Above.
Above. Hors the. Outside.
Of.
Outside of anything. Loin the.
Far.
Far from anything.
Far.
Far from, or you can also write far.
From.
In.
Par. Par is
Par is by. Through.
by or through. In both the sense, par can be used. Through. Right. Now, parmi, it is used for among.
Among.
Pendant.
Pendant.
During.
During.
Depuis.
Since.
Or for. It is used for since for. Jusqu'à. Until.
There up to.
Or up to. Selon is according to.
According to.
Right, we can say selon moi, according to me. Suivant, following.
Following.
Verse is
Towards.
toward. Right. So these are the prepositions a, to, at, in, the, from or of. Après is used as after, in the sense of after. Avant, before. Avec, with. Sans, without. Chez, at the home or at someone's place. Contre is used for against. Pour, for. Dans, in. Entre, between. À gauche de, at left. À droite de, at right. À face de, facing. Au-dessus de, below. Au-dessus de, above. Hors de, outside.
Of.
Loin de, far from. Or in. Par is used for by or through. Parmi is used for the sense of among. Pendant means during. Depuis means since or for. Jusqu'à means until or up to. Selon according to. Suivant following. Vers towards. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you have understood completely the concept of les prépositions. If you have any query, please write into the comment box. Thank you so much.